So they will put it in very small print, or they'll put it in a font or color that is really hard to read on the packaging.
Yeah,
I have come across that
it's
recently.
crazy. They just hide it.
Yes.
All they do is typically hide it.
Yes.
So can you tell us, I guess, besides those oils? Not saying that we want to promote oil, especially after chronic conditions, but if you were to cook or eat different oils, what are the alternatives that should be used instead of those insidious, bad omega-6 inflammatory oils?
Okay, so if you have no problems or you have very slight problems, not that you really need to stay away from these things. If you do have serious problems, you should stay away from it. If you don't, extra virgin olive oil, that's a good one. And that's more so used in salad dressings because it has a low heat content. So that's salad dressings. Avocado oil, which is more of a medium heat type of oil. There's also coconut oil or grass-fed ghee. That's a higher heat content. And these fats were consumed by humans for thousands of years. They've been around.
As you say, the ancestors.
Yeah. So extra virgin olive oil reduces neuroinflammation. Right? Coconut oil provides MCTs, which is an alternative brain fuel.
Yeah. Yeah. So essentially, I mean, fat is still fat, but if you're going to eat the oils, use those oils instead is the whole thing. Right?
Don't go crazy, but just a little.
Yeah. So, okay. Well, so that's what the things we want to swap out, but are there some practical tips that you can start or that people can start with today?
Yeah, so you can make your own salad dressing. You can use nuts and seeds for your fats, so you can use olive oil. So then there's something simple. If you don't have the time to make a salad dressing, there is just olive oil and lemon juice. Ta-da, that's it. You add a little bit of herbs if you want to get fancy and a pinch of salt. Avoid store-bought dressings because they are loaded with seed oils. Start reading every label. You'll be shocked at what you find where these oils are hidden. Cut back eating out. That's the only other way to tell you, unless you know of a restaurant that do not cook with those type of oils.
Yeah, we cut
highest offenders.
Yeah, we cut way back on going to eat out.
Yeah, because of the oils.
Yeah. Okay, so that's a very good practical tip. Now, what about these omega-3s? I mean, don't we need to balance these oils somehow?
So your best sources are to eat wild-caught fish, such as salmons, sardines, mackerel. They contain DHA, which makes up about 30% of the brain's gray matter. They're essential for cognitive function. If you're not eating fatty fish regularly, consume a high-quality supplement.
Yeah, and I think when you think about the health, the ratio itself, if you just cut out the seed oils, period, your ratios will come in line. And so you don't even truly have to eat more fat to raise it back up because at the end of the day, it's still fat is fat. So yes, especially too, if you have other health conditions, to promote a better healthy lifestyle is to just cut out the seed oils 100%, improve your brain function at the same time.